Hi there, I'm Alex, physical therapist at Upright. In this video, I want to help you find your upright posture. First of all, you should know there are many benefits to being upright. It makes you more confident, it makes you more attractive, and it generally boosts your well-being. Now, how do you find your upright posture? Start by straightening your back. But don't overextend it like a soldier. Many people make the mistake of stiffening their back. That's not a posture you can keep for very long. Instead, aim to have your ears, your shoulders, and your hips aligned. Being upright should feel comfortable. One tip I give my patients is imagine a string gently pulling you up through your entire body. Once you've found a comfortable upright, tap calibration in your app to teach the Go your upright posture. The way the Go works is by reminding you whenever you slouch, making you more aware of your posture, and eventually improving your posture habits. To find out more, go to our Learn More section in the app, our YouTube channel, or contact customer support. Thank you for your time and have a great day.